what are some practical strategies that you could suggest to a fresher so that he or she can stay updated with the latest trends and technologies?
Okay. So this is really good question. So basically, as I mentioned, like as a fresher, your focus area should be majority of the DSA, and then if you have some development skills, that's a bonus part. And if you have, let's say, some advanced knowledge about that particular development area which you are doing, that's really, I mean, that. Yeah, I mean that puts you like out of the crowd position, right? So basically, you shouldn't be worried about like a lot of the things like coming into market, and you are not expected to have knowledge about everything which is going on in market, right? That's a expectation from senior engineers, not from the freshers. So freshers should be, the expectation is like you are able to logically I mean your logical reasoning is better, and you are able to code, right? That's why they have the DSA part, and that's why they test majority of the freshers on the DSA first, and then if you have some development knowledge, then that's better, right? But if you are, I mean, personally interested about these things, just try to, I mean, but again, I'll say it's you should always go in terms of depth rather than covering in the breadth, right? So there will be like thousands of things coming into market, like back end, front end, and your AI and ML and all those things. You can't cover everything, so you have to focus. I mean, you have to pick one area which interests you most, and then keep. I mean, there are multiple things out there on the internet, right? You can subscribe to some of the blog channels, like on Medium and all those things, which can keep you up to date with the like new blogs coming into the market, right? Whichever area you are interested in. So that would be my advice. Like first focus on your DSA, then development area, and then if you have time and you have a very interest about a very particular technology, then you go and subscribe those things.